Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to show you how to generate some documentation. On the right-hand side at the bottom, we can see the Documents button. When you click on the little arrow, we can see the options we have to generate documentation. The first option is to create an online help section for our application. The second option is to generate specification documentation, for example, for your data model or UI screen. And the third option is to generate documentation for your REST services. REST services are used to communicate or interact with different applications. So let's say you want to allow other applications from other teams in your company to add or remove customers to and from your application. Here you can write them an API and change the data. Let's go over how to create some help documentation. The help generation wizard presents us with a few options. We can create a completely new online help section, which is what we will do in just a moment. The second option is to add additional pages to your existing help documentation. You can also change the application image of general information. So clicking on the first option, we can now choose the screens we want, which in our case is all. Once we click Finish, the online help section is generated. If we go to the Help tab, we can see the content of my documentation. Going back to VisionX, let's go to the second option and generate some specification. In the next step, we can choose between creating a screen or database specification. We'll choose the first one. Next, we choose again which screens we want and then click Finish to generate. Our final option is to generate REST services documentations. Again, we have two further options: create a specification document or a Swagger documentation, which is most commonly used, so we will choose that one. Next, we choose the pertinent screens and click Finish once again to generate. After everything is done, you can manage your individual screens. And that's it. That's a quick look at documentation generation. Thank you so much for watching.